Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Imagine arriving in Russia for the first time. The signs are written in a different alphabet. People are speaking quickly around you. You want to ask something simple, but you don't know how. Now imagine this instead. You recognize key words. You understand basic phrases. You can ask for help, order food, and respond with confidence. That small difference? It changes everything. In this video, you'll learn the 50 most essential Russian words and phrases you need before moving to Russia. Simple, practical, and immediately useful. Let's begin. 1. Здравствуйте. Hello. 2. Привет. Hi. 3. Доброе утро. Good morning. 4. Добрый день. Good afternoon. 5. Добрый вечер. Good evening. 6. До свидания. Goodbye. 7. Пока. Bye. 8. Пожалуйста. Please/you're welcome. 9. Спасибо. Thank you. 10. Извините. Excuse me/sorry. These are your first impressions. In Russian culture, tone and respect matter. These words help you start right. 11. Да. Yes. 12. Нет. No. 13. Может быть. Maybe. 14. Как дела? How are you? 15. Хорошо. Good. 16. Не очень. Not very good. 17. Я понимаю. I understand. 18. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. 19. Вы говорите по-английски? Do you speak English? 20. Медленно, пожалуйста. Please speak slowly. These help you survive real conversations, even with basic Russian. 21. Вода. Water. 22. Еда. Food. 23. Ресторан. Restaurant. 24. Счет. Bill. 25. Деньги. Money. 26. Карта. Card. 27. Магазин. Shop. 28. Станция. Station. 29. Туалет. Toilet. 30. Помогите. Help. These are words you'll use every single day. 31. Где? Where is? 32. Налево. Left. 33. Направо. Right. 34. Прямо. Straight. 35. Близко. Near. 36. Далеко. Far. 37. Вход. Entrance. 38. Выход. Exit. 39. Улица. Street. 40. Карта. Map. These help you move around confidently, even when you're lost. 41. Сколько стоит? How much is this? 42. Я хочу. I want. 43. Вы можете помочь? Can you help me? 44. Нет проблем. No problem. 45. Конечно. Of course. 46. Одну минуту. One moment. 47. Я здесь впервые. It's my first time here. 48. Я из... I am from... 49. Добро пожаловать. Welcome. 50. Удачи. Good luck. These phrases help you connect, not just communicate. Here's the truth. You don't need perfect Russian to live in Russia. You just need enough to try, enough to ask, enough to understand, enough to connect. Because when you make the effort, people notice. And even a few words can open doors, start conversations, and create real opportunities. So start with these 50. Practice them, use them. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because every word you learn brings you closer to feeling at home, in a place that once felt completely unfamiliar.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.